I just got back from my favorite hobby shop, Scale Reproductions, that's in Louisville, Kentucky. If you guys are ever passing through Louisville, make sure to stop at that hobby shop. You'd be glad you did. It's a great hobby shop. But anyway, why did I go to the hobby shop, or what did I pick up? I picked up the new issue of Model Cars magazine. Let's get this thing opened and check it out. Okay, it's the middle of March 2025, and this is issue 226, Model Cars magazine. Marvelous models. Seen at the Acme Southern Nationals. It's a great show. I go to that show every year. Even more car show coverage. Car show. I got car shows on my mind. Even more show coverage. The Classic Plastic and the Hawaii Expo. And it looks like they got an article in here of a mod rod to trad rod kit bashing a post-World War II theme roadster pickup. I've not looked through this. This is my first look through with you guys, and I just want to show you what Model Cars magazine has for us. Start off with an advertisement. The Slasher. It's a neat kit. I picked that kit up. Oh, there we go. The Acme Southern Nationals in Cartersville, Georgia. And what's in the mag? Little editor's corner from Greg. Greg puts on the magazine. Workbench worthy. Usually show stuff that's in the hobby. People send stuff in. They show it. A couple advertisements. Some more stuff. Model Roundup. Great place to go. If you don't have a hobby shop to go to, and you have to go online, go to Model Roundup. You'll find what you want there. It's a great website. They've been around for a long time, and they're a great mail order company. And some more stuff they're talking about. Slicks decals. Gotta love Slicks decals. Form finds. 70 Buick GSX. Good looking build. I'd like to have one of them cars in real life. Neat car. Buicks were cool back in the day, weren't they? Lannis. Lannis has been doing a lot of good stuff for the hobby. I like seeing Lannis when they go to the model shows, talk to them, see what they're coming out with. Coming out with some cool old stuff that we don't see anymore. What we got here? AMT 64 Cutlass 442. Nice build. Scale finishes. 67 GTO. Okay, looking good, looking good. I just want to go through this real quick with you guys and kind of show you the meat and potatoes of this magazine and entice you to go out and get a Model Cars magazine. Mod rod to trad rod. I'm anxious to read this when I get done showing you guys this. This is stuff I'm into. Them old school hot rods. I like that. That's cool. The old Riding Customs. Talk about some tires and wheels, it looks like. Very cool. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. This is the stuff I like. It shows what he's done to it. You can always pick up tips and tricks on how they did stuff. That's what I like to see. Very cool. Nice. Good old Tamiya TS2. Liking it. Liking it. Like that hot rod. Man, I dig that. That is me all the way right there. Cool hot rod. I like this thing. It says after 46 hours of model building and kit bashing, he calls it finished. Got 46 hours in that thing. I don't keep a record on how long it takes me to build a model. Let me know down below if you keep a record or a tab on it. I know some guys do. It's kind of like building a real car. They'll keep a logbook of everything they've done to it. I don't do that. Got some old Chevys. This is Dan Delivers. Galaxy kits, great kits. If you come across a Galaxy kit, pick one up. They're wonderful kits. Wonderful kits. What they did to it. I'm anxious to read this article too. Always wanted to have one of these. Have one like for a shop truck. It'd be cool. Also, these Galaxies have probably the nicest 6-cylinder engine there is out there for a Chevy 6-cylinder engine. That 6-cylinder engine is beautiful. That's straight out of the Galaxy kit. I mean, he added plug wires and stuff and your fuel line, but they got a great looking 6-cylinder engine. So even if you find one that's been messed up for cheap, get it for the 6-cylinder. What we got here, the 2022 Corvette article. Okay, all about that. That's how I pin my parts a lot of times. I'll find a hole in the part and stick it through a toothpick. That's a great idea. And then I'll take these clamps that I've got. I bought a couple hundred of these clamps with this wire on it, and clamp onto my toothpick, and then I can spray it. And then I can take this and stick it somewhere. Great way to hold on to parts. Tamiya extra thin. I'm a Tamiya guy. I like the Tamiya with the darker green. The lighter green sets too quick for me. A lot of work on the Corvette there. Nice job on the tires and wheels. Looks really good. Poor Man's Jake is what it's called. Interested to read this. Even though I'm really not a Corvette guy, I'm still going to read this article because I'm going to pick some tips and tricks up on how he did stuff. Ah, very nice. Tips on building the MPC trikes. I love these. I love these trikes. Beautiful. Beautiful. I've got them all. I was super glad they came out with them. And here's all the trikes. You got the mailbox chopper. You got the Tiki trike, torque trike, taco trike, milk trike, and the Cobra chopper. Very cool. Very cool. I am stoked about this article. I've been wanting to build all mine, and I almost made it a goal for 2025 to build every single trike bike. I built them back in the day, and of course mutilated them back when they very first originally came out, and they went to pieces. In other words, they went to junk. So I picked up every single one since because they've been re-released, and I've been wanting to rebuild them. So I probably won't get to it for 2025, but I think for 2026 my goal is going to build every single one. Very nice. I like that. I'm anxious to read this article. Very cool. And I'm digging this mag. I'm glad I got this. There's old school right there. Nice. Digging this. Giving me some tips here and some tricks. Good deal. Good deal. I don't want to miss a page. 35, 36. Okay. Now the Acme Southern Nationals. Alright. I went to this show. I go to this show almost every year. If you guys want to see footage of this show, check out this video. And if you want to see the swap meet footage of this show, check out that video. And you'll see complete footage of this show. I like that. I thought that was one of my favorite builds at the show. Well, Bradley's 40. I went with Bradley. I know you're watching. Went with Bradley to dinner one night. Sat by him. We had a good time. Man, we laughed and laughed. We laughed so hard our stomachs hurt from laughing so hard. We went to dinner together at the Acme show. A whole bunch of us. Had a good time. Oh, nice. But it's definitely a great model contest to go to. If you guys have never been, you got to go. You got to go to the Acme Southern Nationals. What else they got here? More coverage. Those Mustangs were nice. Man, those were sweet there. Those were... Hey! You know who that is? Take a guess. He took the Revell, whoever it is, he took the Revell 71 Mustang and put a Bandai wing kit on it and turned it into a flying Mustang. I don't know who that is. Who is that guy? I like that. That was cool there. A lot of neat builds were there. That was a popular build. The guy, have you ever been to a Buc-ee's? He did a Buc-ee's truck, because I think in a lot of the Buc-ee's there's this truck in there, and then that's how it's outfitted with all the Buc-ee dolls. Very cool. Very cool. Yeah, I'm wanting to build one of those. That's nice. And they're all nice. Some nice NASCARs. Old Terry. Terry with STS decals. He did that pulling truck. I really like that pulling truck. Terry did a lot of work on that pulling truck. Nice car right there. Clay Kemp's Indy car. I mean, look at the detail of that Indy car. Is that amazing or what? Nice job, Clay. Looking good. Roger, I talked to Roger about his Demon. That's a neat car, or Duster. It's a 71 Plymouth Duster. Talked to Wayne about his High Wing. It was a neat way he did that. Good job, guys. Good job. Looking good. Looking good. I'm going slower through this because I talked to so many of these guys and I enjoyed the show so much. Alex, good job, Alex. Nice picture, Alex. Way to go, buddy. Way to go. I'm digging that, man. Way to go. I like that. Alex won an award for that semi. Good job. In fact, Alex writes for one of the model magazines. He's an up-and-coming great builder, guys. Tom White. Beautiful Merc, Tom. Love it. Love a Merc. You know I like a Merc. Good job, Tom and Alex. Good job, guys. What we got here? 30th Annual Model Car Exhibition. Where's this at? Missouri? Okay. Oh, I'm digging that. That's a hard kit to build, that old Dodge. I like that auto car also. Ooh, I like the Cuda. I like the Hemi Cuda. Beautiful. I'd love to have one of those. Purple's one of my favorite colors too. Nice. Nice, nice. Oh yeah. Oh, that's what I've always wanted to do, is scratch build a trailer and get some lawn equipment and put it in there. Always wanted to do that. Good job, dude. That's a Tim. Good job, Tim. I've always wanted to do that idea. Good job. There's a good Steve. You did a good job on that Mac. Nice job on the Mac. Nice job. The Hawaii Scale Expo. All right. Ooh, nice truck. That's a cruiser right there. Jump in that thing and go cruising for the all day long. Ooh, there's a nice racing combo. I like that. That's a good job. Nice job, Rick. Racer's Wedge with the Mongoose McEwen's Plymouth Barracuda. Nice. I like that. Good looking 68 Charger. Rich did a good job on that. That looks sweet. Nice diorama. Good job. Nice job, guys. A little article about this McLaren. Probably an unboxing. They do a lot of, okay, a review and unboxing of it. Talks about the kit. A little unboxing about Revell's all brand new tooling 2022 Corvette. Looking good. You can read all about it if you're wanting to get the kit. It's a neat kit. I passed on this kit at the hobby shop. I saw it and I set it down, and I went, next time I went to the hobby shop, I thought I'll get it, and it was gone. I haven't gotten one since. So, and that is not the Ghostbusters one either, the one that had all the stuff on it, or not, whatever that movie is. It's on the tip of my tongue now. When they the time travel machine, is not that one with all the stuff that you have to sand off. I've done that tedious work in the past, and that didn't work out good. I spent days and days sanding all that stuff off. So when I saw this DeLorean, I thought I ought to get that. Man, I'm kind of kicking myself that I didn't get it. It's a neat kit. I've heard some good things about it, actually. The Charger. Talks all about the Charger kit. So these reviews are pretty neat. I like these reading these reviews and what people have to say. 59, 60, I don't want to miss a page. The old Mercury 68 pickup. I think that's a Canada truck. Ford had all those in Canada, I'm pretty sure. Or not Ford, actually Mercury. So I've heard people say, well, there's no such thing. I think it's a Canada truck, guys. I mean, I'm sure you'll correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. Tells all about that. The Mobius trucks are nice. If you've never gotten a Mobius truck, I definitely recommend one. Nice kits. Very nice kits. And you got sponsors. Support the sponsors, guys. They help us out by coming out with this cool stuff. Model Cars Magazine. Grex Airbrush. Model Cars Magazine, issue 226, here in the middle of March 2025. Hope you enjoyed that. If you want to see any other flip-throughs of this magazine, I've done it for several years now. You can go back on my channel. I've got a whole bunch of these flip-throughs of this Model Cars Magazine I've done, if you want to go back and see anything. But with that said, we will see you guys on the next video on Throttle Power.